think we're live now. So it's Tuesday, 7:42 a.m. Hope everybody had a nice holiday. Trying to do a quick live video real quick. So Million Token, last couple of days have been really bullish. I'm trying to look at this ascending triangle right now. And boy, it feels like it was just like a couple of days ago. We were down at like $13. You could have got it at $14 and it had gone up almost 50%, 43%. So right now it's going to go through a correction because we did have a big move, and it's looks like it probably will come down to the bottom of this channel, perhaps, maybe. That would be somewhere around just below $20, like $19 and change. And then the 200 moving average here is at $18.65, but we could also come down and test the bottom of this channel at $17 or less, depending upon, how long it takes to get there. The longer it takes to get there, the lower the price will be. And of course, we can go into these lower prices down here. I'm hoping that we will stay in this channel because we have a few touch points here and a few touch points up top. So if you can get it at, $19.50 or around there, that might be a good buy. And then if it drops lower, you could buy more. This is not financial advice, by the way, only for entertainment purposes. So that's what I'm looking at for Million Token in the short term. And Tech Lead had put out a video yesterday about how you can now buy Million Token on the Matic blockchain and Solana. There's a couple of videos already out on how to buy it on the Matic network. This guy, MISSOL TV, give him a like and subscribe. He talks all about Million Token, and he went into the real depth of how to get your USDC or Ethereum on the Matic network. And you need Matic. It's like for the gas fees on the Matic network, like you need ETH on Uniswap. So go to this page and you can learn how to do that. I do not know how to do the Solana yet, and Serum, as Tech Lead briefly mentioned it in his YouTube video. So I'm hoping another video will be coming out on how to do that. But I know right now, I think the community is focusing on Matic because you get NFTs. You can get NFTs that way also, and the fees are really cheap, like less than a penny from what I've heard. But you've got to get your Matic and your USDC or ETH or whatever you want to exchange it for, Million Token. You got to get it on Matic network, and that would take some ETH fees initially to get it there, which could be anywhere, who knows, $25 to $50. Also depending upon how much you're doing. So real quick on Uniswap, I'm going to do a refresh here. Right now the price is, I think it was $20. Yeah, $20.19. But if you go to like you want to buy it, if I wanted to buy like $100 worth, it'd be about almost 5 million token, and the price would be about $20.26. But if I wanted to put a big buy in, let's say, my computer's kind of slow, 5,500 USDC, the price really doesn't change, right? It's $20.59. But if you go to the Matic Quick Swap, the $100 USD gets me a little more than 5 million tokens, where before on Uniswap you didn't get as much. But watch what happens when I put, my $5,500 order in. The price per MM goes up to $23.80. So right now we need more liquidity on Matic. And this guy, he really stresses that too. He's like really trying to get people to move some liquidity over there so we don't get these giant price swings. So if you're buying on Matic or Uniswap or PancakeSwap, just check all the DEXs to see what the best price for you is at the amount that you want to buy. I think I'm going to start buying on Matic if we get some more liquidity there. I don't want to push the price up too much. Or I just might buy, $100 buys every so often. Maybe that won't increase the price too much. Since the fees are so low, it doesn't matter, how many buys you have. It's just, for me, easier. I'd just rather throw a couple thousand on it and get over with. But if I have to do a couple $100 buys, maybe I'll do that just so the price doesn't go up so much, and maybe people will step in and add more liquidity. So that's an issue. And I'm still waiting on how to learn Solana and Serum and stuff like that. So I'm hoping a tutorial will come out on that. If I have time, I'll look into it. But I don't have a lot of experience with it, even though I have some Solana. So Bitcoin, we went up to like 52,944. This right here is that golden pocket I've been watching for months now. And I figured we'd have some resistance. We went into it. We tested the bottom. We broke out, and we come back down to the bottom. We're right now just below my golden pocket. I think we're going to go up, break out, just because of the on-chain analysis shows that demand's there. El Salvador is now, Bitcoin's legal there, legal tender today, Tuesday, the September 7th. So, I just see more on-chain demand. And I think that's eventually going to break us out and to continue the bull run narrative. Some people are calling, a reversal down like we did, like another 40 or 50% drop. It could happen. I don't think it will, but that's why, I like a dollar cost average and hodl it out. People were asking about altcoin season. This is my altcoin seasonal chart on the daily. We had that bullish cross here. We have a little bit of a correction right now, but we could come back and retest at the green line or the red line. But on the weekly, it still looks like it's still very bullish. Altcoin season was probably around here. We went from March 22nd to May 17. But I still think we have more alt season growth, because if we're here now where we were in the past, I still think we were somewhere around here. So we could go back down and test this green line, or go below it and go back above it. But I think see how we went up and then we came back and down and tested the green line. We can go down and test this green line down here, but I think overall the trend is up. So I wouldn't be selling any altcoins now if you got some blue chip altcoins. Solana, I mentioned before, man, it was just taking off like fire. It's at $195.34 at one point. And yeah, it's just crazy. If you look at the Solana versus Bitcoin, I mean, it's up the beginning of the year 7,063%. This is against Bitcoin. That's just insane. So congrats if you have Solana. I know everybody wishes they had more. I want to get some more million token if we get some good liquidity in Matic, or maybe we won't have issues on Solana, but I'm sure they're going to have probably liquidity issues there also, because it's just new. It takes time to get people to move their liquidity over to new blockchains. I think that's about it. I was really happy with Tech Lead's video. Give this guy a like, subscribe, and follow him. He's putting out like daily videos, I think at 9 perhaps at night. I'm sleeping, so I can't catch him live, but I like him. He'll upload the videos from his Twitch to YouTube soon after. The people that bought Million Token that caused the pump, I think it's this guy right here. He still hasn't sold. And, this guy here, he bought 1,000, a day ago, and he bought his first 2,000 Million Token, when it first launched at $1, and now he's buying more. So the whales are buying even at these prices. So, Million Token still looks good. We're in an ascending triangle right now, but we could still retest the bottom of this or come back, retest the $17 range and then go up. But we did test it once already here, so maybe we won't need to test it a second time. But my theory is, let me get this to the 4-hour chart. We had a one pump here, another pump here, consolidation. We kind of are going sideways here, looking at it at the, zooming out. I think a third pump is going to be, could take us to, 1,000. Maybe it may not reach 1,000 if people sell early because everybody expects it to go to 1,000. But it's still early as far as, where I think this cycle is going to go. If Bitcoin goes to 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, I think the altcoins are going to continue to rise with Bitcoin, and that who knows where that's going to take Million Token. I think we'll make at least new all-time highs, which would break $200.23. So that's a 10-minute or 11-minute live stream. Hope everybody had a good holiday. If you liked us, give me a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks.